Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to answer another very common Next.js interview question. What is SSR? SSR stands for server-side rendering. This is one of the core concepts in Next.js, and it's something interviewers ask very frequently. So let's keep it simple. What is SSR? SSR means that the HTML of a page is generated on the server before it's sent to the browser. Instead of sending an almost empty page and letting JavaScript build everything in the browser, the server prepares the HTML first. Then the browser receives a fully rendered page. Let's imagine a user visits a product page. Without SSR, the browser might receive something like this. Then JavaScript runs, fetches data, and finally renders the page. This process can take some time. With SSR, the server already generates the HTML. The browser receives something like this. So the content is visible immediately. Why do we use SSR? There are two main reasons. The first reason is SEO. Search engines can easily read the HTML content because the page is already rendered on the server. This is especially useful for blogs, e-commerce websites, marketing pages, news websites, and so on. The second reason is faster initial page load. Since the browser receives ready-to-display HTML, users can see content sooner. This improves the first experience of the page. In the Next.js, SSR happens on the server for every request. A simple example would look like this. When a user requests this page, the server fetches the data, generates the HTML, and sends it to the browser. When should we use SSR? SSR is a good choice when data changes frequently, pages need good SEO, content should always be fresh, the page depends on the current request. For example, product pages, news articles, search result pages, dynamic content, and so on. SSR versus client-side rendering. A simple way to think about it is client-side rendering, browser gets minimal HTML, JavaScript builds the page. Server-side rendering, server builds the HTML first, browser receives a ready page. If you want a short interview-ready answer, you can say SSR stands for server-side rendering. In SSR, the HTML is generated on the server and then sent to the browser. This improves SEO and can make the initial page load faster because users receive a fully rendered page instead of waiting for JavaScript to build the content. Sometimes interviewers ask, when would you choose SSR? A good answer is, I usually choose SSR when the page needs good SEO or when the data changes frequently and should always be up to date. Alright, that's it for today. SSR is one of the most important concepts in Next.js, and understanding it will help you answer many related interview questions as well. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.